Michael, say bye to your girlfriend.
No, I want to stick bugs.
Which one? Who is she? Who is she? Hey, who is she?
Who is she?
What is she? She your girlfriend or your cousin?
And my cousin.
And what is she?
Gia.
This is your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You're going to be okay. You're going to be okay.
She gonna be okay?
Yeah.
My son is a pimp. Hell no.
Whoa,
He's worse than his mama. Huh? She's playing a song?
Yeah.
Oh, Michael, let her go, Michael.
No.
Why not?
Because he has to stay.
No, she wants to go home.
The home is very far.
No, it's not. She'll live across the street.
He lives across the street. We're really far from him.
You were far from home, not her. You have to go to have breakfast.
I don't have breakfast.
Say bye-bye to her.
No. Let's stay. We might go for it. He wants to go. Look.